Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. So welcome to today's video, which is huge, sweeties. It is huge because it is the launch of my newest Leorah kit, and some of you have guessed already under last time's video where I asked, you know, what do you think is coming up for this video? So this is it. This is the launch of my next Leorah kit, and I'm so glad to be able to finally show you, because I've had this for a while and I've just been waiting for the right date so we can launch this, and this is how it looks like. So it has, of course, three items in the kit. I'm going to in just a second introduce every single one to you, and of course we're going to create this look together today. And of course this video and this kit and all of this is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, who has supplied everything that is wrapping related that you're seeing here in this video. If you're new here and you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to just quickly explain to you that I'm every couple of months coming out with a Leorah kit in collaboration with Wrapunzel, which means it's always some scarves and an accessory, some scarves and a pashmina, something like that, and I'm always refilling it every couple of months once it has sold out. Sometimes it actually sells out super fast, sometimes, you know, it takes some time, but I'm always refilling it after some time and just giving it a new face, you know, something new, something different. Sometimes I'm coming out with a completely gray kit, you know, with just different textures and things like this to make it interesting. So I'm just really trying to always do something new, something different, something surprising, and this time we came out with this. So this is how it looks, and I'm just so glad that I can finally show you, because it is so beautiful, and it really might just be the most beautiful one yet. Alright, so without further ado, let's go right into the introduction, because I want to definitely talk to you and show you in depth everything that you're seeing here and what you're getting with this kit. This time the kit will retail for $35. It is limited edition, of course, as always. And with all of that being said, let's just go into the video so I can finally introduce all the contents of this beautiful kit to you. Okay, sweeties, let me introduce the content of my kit. Okay, so we are going in first of all with, for me personally, the super highlight of this kit, and that is the Tapestry Scarf in green. Have you ever seen a Tapestry Scarf in green? No? That is because this is just for my kit, sweeties. This is exclusive to my kit. This is the one. And when Wrapunzel contacted me about this one, because I had told them I want to do something with green, and they found this for me, and then they said, well, we immediately thought of you when we saw this, because they also know that the Tapestry Scarves is one of my, like in general, no matter which color, this is one of my most favorite scarves of Wrapunzel. This is so beautiful. And then they thought of me, and I was like, yes, let's do it. So anyway, so this is the one. I'm going to get it a little bit closer to you also. It is a darker green, not like super bright, but it's kind of really elegant, you know, like really elegant, because that is a very elegant scarf. And of course you can also see the pattern with the flowers and everything. It's like it has a little bit of purple, it has some gold and some like orangey leaning tones, so you can combine it with a lot of stuff, you know. So anyway, it does of course have, as every tapestry scarf, it does have some fringes, and it is a pashmina size. It's a good pashmina size, obviously. And here you can see it has this rim around it like a frame. It's really pretty. Alright, so this is the one, and that is what we're going to put on first. Can't wait. This is actually the first time I'm putting them on myself. I have these scarves lying here for a couple of weeks already. We were just waiting for the rest of the stuff to come in, and I was dying. I wanted to so badly put this on, and now for me, I just feel like I want to say a prayer of thanks. Seriously. Alright, so I'm just going to put this on. As you know, this is not necessarily a tutorial. This is just like a Leorah kit introducing playtime kind of a thing. So I'm just going to cross over in the back, and I'm going to bring it backwards to the front. Backwards to the front. That doesn't make any sense. I'm going to bring it back to the front. You can see I'm super excited about this, right? So here you can also see the sort of the other side of the scarf that is like super sparkly. You know, this is the side that I just showed you, and then here of course you have this side. Okay, so anyway, let's just wrap this up. I think I'm just going to tie a knot here for now, and now let's just do it like this. So beautiful. Okay, now the second item in my kit is this beautiful light purple pashmina. It's not a super light purple. It's not like a lavender. It is a real purple, but it is not like a super dark purple, okay? Am I making myself clear? Seriously. So this is a very, very lightweight one. And this is how it looks. Super, super nice. And it also has fringes. So, and I think this was the first thing that I thought about when I saw this pashmina, when I saw the tapestry scarf. This was the first color that popped in my head. And when they asked me from Wrapunzel, what do you want to combine this with? I immediately went and Googled different colors, and then I sent them the color sheets, you know? And this was one of the colors that I immediately sent them, and they made it happen. I don't know how they do that. Seriously. So, okay, so let's just put it here, and I'm going to use this scarf purely as a highlight, because I'm not going to try to cover up my most favorite tapestry scarf of all times. So I'm just going to make this a bit of a, you know what, let's just make this a bit of a wild thing, because why not, you know? I think I've done a tutorial on a look like this, because it's really not like a new idea for me to do these kinds of looks. I've been wearing them actually a lot lately, because it's just so fun, you know? And it's also a nice way to just work with things that have fringes, you know, because sometimes in certain wraps, fringes are always in the way. And like, for example, in a regal wrap or something, you know, if you're not skilled, then it can be a problem. But with wraps like this, it really doesn't matter, which is really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to cross this over here, and I'm going to sort of loosely tuck it in anywhere I can find. Let me just see what I'm doing here. Wait, I think I put this too far to the back, so it doesn't have anything to grab onto. Let me just do the same thing a little bit more to the front. Something like this. And let's just pull out this a little bit to make it just, I don't know, splash a little bit more. All right, now I'm going to cross this over, and I'm just going to sort of loosely tuck it away. Something like this. And I think these parts here, I'm just going to let them sort of hang out, you know? Because why not? Why not? Anything goes. So I'm just going to sort this out a tiny little bit. And that's the nice thing also with scarves like this, that they hold their own shape a little bit better, you know, than like super soft scarves. So you can really play with this and just sort of adjust everything after the fact, you know? So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to go for. Something like that. And then the third part of my kit, because usually my kits have like 3 items, right? So the third part, I have been actually asked recently in recent kits, why don't you have an accessory? You know, why do you always do a pashmina and 2 scarves or something? Why don't you do like a pashmina, a scarf, and an accessory? And I listened to you, sweeties. So what I asked Wrapunzel to find for me was actually a butterfly. I wanted to either have a dragonfly or a butterfly, but something colorful. So this is what they found for me. So this is the butterfly pin, and also this one will be exclusive to my kit. So sweeties, are you all excited? So let's just put this on here, because that is of course the whole purpose, to, you know, sort of enhance the whole thing and make it even more fun. This is so cute. Sweeties, is this cute or is this cute? Like, really? All right, so this is my kit, and I'm so excited about this. You would not believe. I think this might just be my most favorite kit of all times. This is my heart and my soul, you know? It's absolutely my heart and my soul, because also it really felt like this time when we put this kit together, it was like puzzle pieces, you know? It came together so easily, and it was just, this is how it's supposed to be, you know? I'm giving you a piece of my soul here, and this is how it looks. So let me know what you think. If you're excited about this, if you're planning to get yourself this kit, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun with this. This can create so many beautiful looks. I just can't even believe it, you know? And also in most of the parts of the world, or in half of the world, basically, the winter approaching, and then having a beautiful tapestry scarf for the winter, which is super nice. Like, really, you know, I cannot wait to pull out also my aqua tapestry scarf, because this is the time time. This is the time to really love our pashminas, you know? So yeah, I'm super excited. Let me know if you are too. So of course, if you want to order it, you can definitely use my discount code, which gives you 5% off your order. It's Queen Leorah. You'll find it here, of course, on the screen. And if you're watching this on my channel, you'll also find it in the description box down below. Besides that, of course, I'm also going to link the Leorah Kit, which has all these contents that I just introduced to you. All these contacts for Wrapunzel will also be, of course, in the description box. And I'm just so excited that you're here, that you're watching me, and that you're sharing into my joy, and that you've been so supportive all that time. We're now for more than 2 years collaborating, Wrapunzel and I, and if a collaboration means being that beautiful like this kit, then seriously, there is nothing we can ever complain about, right? So that is it for today. I hope you did enjoy yourself. Of course, if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And if you're watching this video on the Wrapunzel channel, then please subscribe to Wrapunzel too. I hope you will enjoy playing with this kit. I cannot wait for you to upload pictures and tag me so I can see what you've done. And besides that, I'm going to see you here super soon for my next video. And up until then, definitely go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.